Welcome back friends. Today's topic is regarding how to generate automatic serial number in Microsoft Excel. Here I am going to show you two formula method of generating auto serial number. This first method is by using the combination of sequence and count function, which is applicable to the new Excel versions where there is sequence function available, and this second method is applicable to old and new both Excel versions. Let me show you how does this work. Here in this product name column, if I enter some product's name, then the serial number keeps on auto generating. Let me put here some products. Here you see serial number auto generated. Similarly, in this second example also, if I put product names, the serial number auto generated. In case of the old Excel versions, we will use this if function. Let's start how to write formula for generating the auto serial number. If you are using the new Excel version where the sequence function is available, then you can use the combination of sequence plus count. So here in this cell, press is equal to, type the sequence function, double click on it to choose. Here in the row parameter of the sequence function, combine the count function. So put here count open parenthesis. In this value 1 parameter of the count function, put the first cell reference from which the product name starts, that is the B5 cell. So put here B5 colon, then put the next cell reference until which your product name will grow. For example, here I am putting B1000. For example, this number you can increase or decrease according to the requirement. Now close two parentheses for the count and sequence function, then press enter. Here you see the serial number automatically generated till the last product. If you add here a more product, the serial number keeps on automatically generating. Let's go to the second example where we have to use this if function to generate auto serial number. In the first cell, the formula will be equal to if open parenthesis. In the logical test whether the value in this cell is blank or not. So click on the first product name cell, equal to, then put a double quotation. It means blank. Now put a comma. If the value in this cell is blank, then we have to display blank here in the serial number as well. So put here double quotation again. In the value if true, put a comma. In the value if false, put 1. Then close parenthesis, hit enter. The first serial number generated. Now in the second serial number cell, the formula will be press equal to if open parenthesis, click on the product name beside this, equal to blank, put a comma. In the value if true, we have to put blank, comma. In the value if false, we have to add 1 with the previous serial number. So click on the previous serial number plus 1, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now you can drag this formula down. Let me take till this row number 88, but you can increase or decrease as you want. Now if you add here more products, for example laptop, the serial number generated. Here you see the serial number keeps on auto generating. So this is how we can auto generate serial number in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample workbook file from the video description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. If you are new here, consider subscribing the channel to get similar videos in future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.